I ate raw chicken 50 days in a row. Guess what happened? Freaking nothing. Nothing happened. I felt good. I got better. Didn't get sick once. I've been trying to find salmon Nutella 50 days in a row. What mainstream says. The mainstream scientists, they say you eat raw chicken. You even touch raw chicken and then do this or this or this. You're gonna get salmon Nutella, E. coli, food poisoning. For 50 days in a row, all documented here on my YouTube, based science, because we try to achieve the best knowledge of the universe. And sometimes we gotta do crazy stuff, or what mainstream says is crazy. But when you look at the mainstream, what our society is doing at the moment, how people are at the moment, how their well-being is at the moment, bro, I see a lot of sickness, a lot of sick people, physically sick, mentally sick, spiritually sick. People are hurting in our society, and we live in a sick society, so how the fuck you supposed to be healthy in it? You gotta do some crazy stuff, figure out what's the actually healthy things to do, and we're finding out is eating raw chicken. This is chicken didi, chicken breast. Is it actually pretty healthy to eat? Or kinda retarded? This far, it's going great. It's super easy to digest. Zero farts, zero bloating, zero diarrhea from raw chicken this far, 50 days in a row. Other things, energy-wise, raw chicken makes you very calm. It's very calming food, at least for me. You eat raw chicken, you become peaceful, calm. You get a little bit body tap, testosterone. But compare it to red meat, beef, that's mostly what I eat also. That's more exciting to the body. It excites the body more. Gives you a little bit more go get this done, go get that done energy. A raw chicken, more calm. I like to eat it at night time. But what the hell is going on? If you listen to mainstream, you would get sick so fast eating raw chicken. Like I said, my digestion has been amazing on raw chicken. Raw butter goes great with the raw chicken. Raw butter, raw chicken, new peanut butter and jelly. Let's make it happen. There's also many other people eating raw chicken many days in a row, doing the same kind of experiment, and everybody pretty much has the same results. I'm kinda starting to think we don't know shit about health, about bacteria. They say raw chicken has very bad bacteria for our little tummies. But my tummy being flat and yummy yum, no problemo. In my tummy, eating raw chicken, 50 days. So what the hell is going on? I don't think we understand bacteria. Some people do, maybe 0.1% of the people do. Because I was kinda expecting this result. I did some research. I've been doing health experiments and health research for decades. I'm wondering, how does not more people come to these same conclusions? Maybe because it's insane to eat raw chicken in our society. Because it really feels like we don't understand how to be healthy. What is healthy? What is human food? We the only species here, up in this realm, that don't know our natural diet. Every other animal, they just naturally start eating the good stuff. If we don't fuck it up for them, we kinda put our little fingers everywhere and start spreading our little nonsense. But if we left the animals into nature, they eat the foods their bodies want to eat. They got their instincts intact. What about the tribes? The human tribes? They kinda live naturally. Maybe not anymore, because we got our little fingers there. The matrix cancer is spreading. We wanna make everybody civilized. But in this civilization, everybody seems to be a slave. Don't know shit about fuck. And kinda unhealthy in many ways. Just today, I saw on the newspapers, I don't read them, but I look at the cover art at the stores, and Finnish newspapers say so many people are getting more Alzheimer's disease even younger than before. Wondering why. There seems to be increase in disease in our society. Many people get many more diseases much earlier. There seems to be this problem of degeneration of human minds, bodies and spirits. And at the base science, if you based, that's pretty much the shield covering you from the nonsense. Now, we might be wrong, but we're doing the experiments ourselves, finding the real truth. And you can only know the real truth if you experience it yourself. And I'm experiencing the raw chicken 50 days in a row. Other things I noted is my skin has been the best it's ever been in my adult life. It's not 10-year-old boy skin, but it's pretty freaking good. It's never been this good in my adult life ever. I still do get some small pimples. That's today's raw chicken. But we got some more. This is spiked perch. Wild caught fish. Beautiful white flesh. I eat other animal foods raw too. This might have some bones though. Perch or raw chicken. I would take raw chicken any day. But also fish and raw chicken, both white meats, very calming red meats more aggressive. Aggression. I like red meats in the morning, white meats evening, but there's no exact rules. At the base science, we're trying to follow the intuition. That's our guide, inner guide. So sometimes I might eat this, sometimes that. And I'm not afraid to change it if it's not working. Has my health been perfect in these 50 days? Probably not. It's never gonna be perfect. That's one of the biggest scams out there. That every guru, every salesman, businessman who's trying to sell you this or that or nothing uses. This thing will make your life perfect. You eat this. You eat raw chicken, you eat birds, you eat vegan, you eat paleo, keto, carnivore, primal, vegetarian, frugivore. You eat this, you get this. You're gonna be perfect then. You're gonna finally be free of all your struggles and problems. Guess what? It's never gonna be like that in this realm. Or maybe if you reach enlightenment, like the masters do, maybe then. But are you gonna? I don't know. Maybe that's raw chicken 2 years enlightenment. We're gonna find out. That's the ultimate based state of being. But anyway, for most of us, me included, it's never gonna be perfect. It always goes in the cycles. Have you noticed? Everything goes in the cycles. One of the Hermetic principles. You watch the sky, you watch the seasons, you watch your woman or girlfriend, you watch your inner state of being using some introspection. It's never gonna be perfect. It's always changing, going like a sine wave. And you're gonna float that wave. So, no. My state of being has not been perfect. But it's also not been harmed by raw chicken. Actually, I think I like raw chicken now more than cooked chicken. And that's, honestly, that's no joke. That's my honest opinion. It tastes better. It really tastes better. It's not dry at all. Chicken gets dry really easy. Raw chicken never dry. Very good. The texture, very much enjoy that. It's scallop-like, kinda like raw fish. So, and you don't get sick from raw chicken. Maybe it's even healthier because you don't destroy some of the nutrients by cooking it, because cooking destroys the nutrients, although some people say they make the nutrient more bioavailable, but there is less nutrients because it clearly destroys them. You put your hand on fire, it's ouchie ouch, but you put your food on fire, it becomes better, it doesn't destroy it, no carcinogens. I don't know, man, sounds kinda retarded to me. And if you're really wrong about the bacteria, like I'm starting to suspect, we don't know about the bacteria. Then there's kinda like no negatives eating raw chicken. From healthy chicken, you wanna get those family farm raised with love. That's what I'm getting here. You don't wanna eat those beach dish soy chicken, eating soy and corn, which are unnatural foods for the chicken. You eat soy, you get beach tits. Happens to chickens too. That's how nature works. When you let the chicken eat bugs and stuff they normally eat, running around, that makes chicken strong. And then you do, and you get raw chicken, and raw chicken make you strong. What the hell? Look at those raw chicken guys. Oh my god. Actually, raw animal foods, super easy to digest, super easy to build muscle. Because you absorb all the nutrients that are in it, because you don't destroy them. And you can actually feel it this yourself. Just test it. Super easy to digest, never bloating, never once had diarrhea in this 50 days. That's pretty amazing. Like my digestion has been very good. No constipation either. Went every single day, at least once, usually twice. Sometimes maybe 3 or 4 times. Like one day. Anyway, that's it. Escape the matrix. Break free or die trying. Raw chicken good. For 50 days. We're gonna continue though. 50 days ain't enough. That ain't shit. But it's starting to look like raw chicken pretty good. What the fuck is going on with the salmon Nutella? We don't know shit about fuck. About health and nutrition. Also, raw chicken delicious. I will end it with raw butter. Yeah. Illuminati confirmed. Salmon Nutella hoax confirmed. 50 days raw chicken. Let's go. See ya.